What if I told you you could turn 0.1 Sol, just $20, into a massive crypto portfolio? You've probably seen all the videos of people making thousands of dollars trading meme coins, but you're stuck trading a small starting balance. You're afraid to lose your hard-earned money and you don't know where to start. Well, I'm about to show you the exact strategy that I use to turn a tiny wallet into a profitable portfolio. And here's a hint, it's not just about the trading. This is a secret that no guru is going to tell you. In this video, I'm going to give you the step-by-step blueprint to build your own crypto portfolio from scratch, even if you're starting with almost nothing. So if you're ready to turn pocket change into a huge crypto stack, you need to watch this entire video, smash the like, comment part 2, and subscribe. First, we need to talk about the problem with actually starting with 0.1 Solana. That's just $20 that we're beginning our portfolio with. Let's say we took a trade with our $20 and we made, say, 10% profits on that trade. That's only $2 in profits, and we potentially spent hours to find this super profitable trade. Whereas if we had a much larger portfolio, like 5 or 10 Solana, and we made 10%, that's at least half a Solana or even one Solana, $200. Well, that's a very decent trade. But first, we need to build up our portfolio to that level. A great way to fund some initial Solana in your account is to be following my X account and to jump into my Telegram, because here you can see I did a $50 USDT giveaway straight to one of my followers. He's received the money. He's super happy. He actually sent me a follow-up message. And it's a great way to actually build up your account and even quickly have 1 or 2 Solana, even after just a short amount of time. Another way would be deep in the Solana trenches, where you can actually farm airdrops, basically signing up and using platforms, even using small trading balances to interact with the platform, can earn you free airdrops that can quickly fund your account. I'll be creating an airdrop guide very soon, so make sure you're following my X account and also in my Telegram group. Now, as we're building up our account, I really recommend paper trading, because this really allows us to understand the market dynamics and the mechanisms, understand market orders, limit orders, the different ways that we can actually enter into the market. And basically, it's risk-free learning while we're building up our trading balance. It allows you to test different strategies and find what works for you. And also it allows you to identify some potential weaknesses that you have. Now, probably the most important aspect of trading and meme coin trading is managing risk. So let's use an example of having 5 Solana in your portfolio. You need to understand that you cannot risk your entire 5 Solana on one single trade. You're actually better off to split up that Solana and risk a small fraction on every single trade, because even if we find a high probability trade, it might be that the probability doesn't weigh on our side and we might lose on that trade. So rather than risking our entire stack on a profitable trade, we risk a portion of our portfolio, because even if the absolute worst case happens, it will still allow us to come back, find another profitable trading opportunity, like I'll show you later on in the video, and then we can use and continue trading. We don't want to get wiped out by one single trade, because potentially we might use psychological FOMO. We might be copy trading Cupsy, which I've shown you in a previous video is a super negative EV strategy. So this will really put you in the right mindset for meme coin trading. There's really 2 ways to be taking advantage of meme coins. One is to be scalping in and out of the market, taking super quick gains, buying in at, say, 100 or 150,000 market cap and quickly getting out at a 200,000 market cap, making 25% on the trade, and then moving on and looking for a new scalp. Or we also have that swing trade where we're looking for actual buying in extremely early and following the trend for a longer period of time. Well, I actually like to take advantage of both strategies. A lot of the time I'm in a swing trade and also looking for short trading opportunities, because I've found a long-term trend on a meme coin, and then I can also look to scalp and basically compound the gains. Because why it's so useful is because if I make 25% on this trade, then maybe I now buy here at a support level, look for another 25% scalp, and I do this time after time, 3, 4, 5 times on this coin continuously. I can actually build up my trading account 100%, 200%, even 300% in just one single day. So this compounding effect can be extremely useful. Another strategy that I really like to employ, especially for my swing trading, is waiting for the massive hype to die down. Like for this particular coin, actually topped out at around 200 million market cap and dropped down to 4 million market cap. It's now sitting at 80 million. That's a massive 20x from the bottom and was one of the easiest swing trades to spot. So as the hype died down, I was able to see that this still had a strong narrative behind it and was able to get in at extremely good prices. Now, once you have accumulated a few Solana, let's say 5 Solana or more, this is one of my favorite and actually secret trading strategies that I've only just begin to show my audience. So what I'm doing is actually finding a super large market cap coin like Farcoin and then finding the developer. So here at the bottom, I'm able to see that the developer of Farcoin is consistently creating coins. He's actually created 449 coins and nearly 50% of them have migrated. You see, he just created one 1 hour ago, 3 days ago, 9 days ago, 10 days ago. So very consistently, the same developer that created Farcoin, a coin that's hit nearly $3 billion market cap previously. And now we have the opportunity to check out the latest coins launching. So let's go down to the 1 second time frame and actually scroll out. What we can see is as soon as this coin launches, there is a massive spike. Let's see, from the initial launch all the way to this spike, we're getting a 200% gain in literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seconds. We're on the 1 second candle. So the strategy is here to actually snipe this particular token the second that it launches in the market. Because if we're able to get in on the first block, you can see just 7 seconds later, we're basically making 200% on that trade. And very, very consistently, if you actually go through all of these coins that have been created, let's scroll out, turn on the 15 second just so it's a little bit easier to scroll out. Just seeing here, look on the first block. We jumped all the way to 150,000 market cap. But even then, if you sniped in right on the first block, easily jumped onto 100,000 market cap, a quick 100% gain on your trade. Now, I've actually made a completely dedicated video to this trading strategy. So make sure to click right here and actually check out that video directly. Using the strategies that I just showed you in today's video is the best way to turn 0.1 Solana into 100 Solana or more, depending on where you are in your trading journey will determine what you need to do and the steps you need to take. But as I've just shown you and throughout today's video, there's so many trending meme coins and these different strategies work depending on your trading capital. If you have enjoyed today's video, make sure to smash the like, subscribe, leave a comment if you do want to see part 2, and I'll see you in the next video.